is what it is.
Čo ideš dať?
Idem dať. Neviem, jak sa to volá.
I'm struck walking, a little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious, somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't.
Ste.
Spiska,
Takže východ rules, hej?
áno.
To som rád.
300 km.
Ja som s ním
300 kilákov, no.
300
8 hodín cesty.
od jednej rána.
Ber si príklad, tí tu chalani došli.
And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the backpack.
Vítajte dneska na tomto džeme o Nových Zámkoch. Ale nie, čo mám hovoriť? Mám niečo natočiť, mám spievať, hej, mám tancovať, budem rapovať, budeme skrečovať, máme všetko, máme produkciu, DJov, MC-kov, svetla, gymnastov, parkouristov, freerunnerov, trickerov a kaďakých iných maníkov. Príď sa aj ty zabaviť na jam Nové Zámky. Jebem.
Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Nah, can I kick it? Thank you, yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me, go hard like I got an 808 in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on shark week. Raw, time to go up, gone, deuces goodbye. I got a world to see, and my girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer, nah, I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. Now, sing this song and it goes like, raise those hands, this is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I fall, they got me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching.
Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Takže nachádzame sa v Nových Zámkoch na Newcastle Jam. Toto je report pre xorstudio.com. Stretol som sa s Filipom Kalínom a som rád, že sme tu, takže Filip, povedz tomu niečo.
No, takže tento zraz sa začal organizovať minulý rok, cez leto. Bol to nápad členov týmu PST a Petra Pavelku. Vlastne zrodilo sa to tým, že sme začali chodiť do haly a máme vlastne voľné podmienky a dobrých trénerov, ktorí tu trénujú mladé gymnastky. A vlastne sme sa mi pýtali trénerov, že či sa dá niečo takéto zorganizovať a povedali nám áno, tak od leta 8. júla sa organizuje tento jam každý mesiac.
Jo?
A nájdete ho na stránke facebookovej Newcastle Jam.
Vidíme sa tam, čekuj info aj na xorstudio.com. Ja ďakujem Filipovi, že som tu mohol byť a verím, že sa vidíme. Čus.
Zatiaľ.
And all my people say,
Can we go